This chapter is Structure and Function of the Living Organism Animals. Chapter 9. So now we have to do question answer of chapter 9. The first is fill in the blanks. First, the process of breaking down of food into fine soluble particles is called digestion. So answer is digestion here. In second, blood vessels that carry blood from organs to heart are called veins. Third is the nervous system consists of billions of nerve cells. So answer is in third, answer is nerve cells. Fourth, fill in the blanks is the right portion of the brain controls the left part of the body. So answer is right here. Fifth is kidneys are bean-shaped organs that help in filtering our waste product. So in fifth, you have to write bean. Sixth, the skin removes water and excessive salt in the form of sweat. तो एक्सेसिव साल्ट और वाटर को स्वेट के रूप में बाहर निकाल लिया जाता है. Next one is seventh. The male reproductive organ system has a pair of testes. So the seventh answer is testes. Now the next one is true false. First is large intestine is responsible for the digestion and absorption of food. So it is false. The answer, the right thing is that a small intestine is responsible for digestion and absorption, but here is written large intestine is responsible for the digestion and absorption of food. That is false. Second is pharynx, also called the voice box. Pharynx को कहते हैं voice box. So no, it is wrong. Larynx is called voice box, so it is also false. Third, blood helps in maintaining our body temperature at a constant value. ठीक है, तो ब्लड जो है बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करता है, तो इट इज ट्रू. आंसर इज ट्रू. Fourth is the blood vessels which take blood away from the heart to various part of the body are called arteries. तो पहले ही बताया मैंने कि blood vessels which goes away from the heart, which carry blood away from the heart, known as arteries. That is here. The blood vessels which take blood away from the heart, heart से दूर ले जाते हैं blood को, that is to various part of the body, that is called arteries. So it is true. Fifth is kidney filter out waste product from the blood. तो ये सही है, किडनी फिल्टर करते हैं वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को, that is true. Next one is tick the correct option. First is bile is secreted by the liver. Okay, salivary gland, liver, pancreas and kidney, in which you have to opt liver. So tick it. Second, the food taken in by the humans stay for about 2 to 3 hours in the stomach. ठीक है, तो स्टोमक में 2 से 3 घंटे तक रहता है फूड, and after that it goes into the small intestine. Third is tube-like structure attached to the brain is known as a spinal cord. Next is fourth, the organ in the human body which filters out waste products such as urea from the kidney. So option is kidney here. Fifth is ovaries are a part of the reproductive system. Okay, ovary, oviduct, these are the part of the female reproductive system. So here is the ovaries are the part of reproductive system. So next day we will do the next question answer of this chapter. by 12. You write all these things in your book, tick the correct option, and true false also write in your copy.